Good morning, Slick. Buenos días, Aurelio. ¿Todo bien, Aurelio? Aurelio, quería hablar contigo. Tengo alguien que está haciendo negocios acá en Miami con Venezuela y tiene mucha gente en Venezuela que le deben dinero. Y por tener que ir por el dólar negro y tener que ir por alguien que vaya a recoger este dinero por todos estos como lugares, yo le estoy tratando de hacer todo más fácil enseñándole cómo usar cripto. ¿Conoces a gente que use cripto allá? ¿O conoces cómo, o sea, obviamente mandando, es que son montos grandes de dinero? No quiero decirle información mala y no quiero, o sea, en Venezuela es fácil entrar a tener cripto en Venezuela y mandar, digamos, 10.000, 20.000, 30.000, 40.000 constantemente. What it do, Dennis? Ooh, that trade was banging. I actually need to update the spreadsheet, boys. ¿Conoces a gente que tiene negocios extranjeros que usan cripto diariamente para mandar dinero? O sea, sé que es posible, pero obviamente quiero llegar con todo el plan claro, entendiendo bien los fees, entendiendo bien los taxes, entendiendo bien cómo o sea, todo el proceso que se hace también en Venezuela, si cambia el proceso. What was I trying to open here? I need to open my spreadsheet. My spreadsheet just opened on this page. All right, that's fine. Where's my chart? My chart's right here. Okay, let's get the spreadsheet and chart together. Oh. All right, this one was no, I think this one, what the hell was it was win-loss, win-win. We have 2 wins we have to mark. We have news at 2 o'clock, boys. We have news at 2 o'clock. That's why we're on early. We gotta be prepared. Let me mark up my two trades. One of them was a sell at 185.300. There you go. That's easy. 185. Okay, yesterday, this was on the 12th, I imagine, yes. 1/12. And we took another one on the 12th. Damn, boys, I can't really remember where the other win was. I'm pretty confused right now. No, I don't have a Telegram channel. I have a Discord channel. The Discord channel. What? I haven't been able to log into the chat either. 1 second, boys. There you go. There's a Discord channel for anybody who did not have my Discord channel. My bad for doing it. I'm pretty sure I know we have 2 wins. I know that I took 2 trades. Now I'm confused on, it's not this one. This was a loss. Did I log this win? 184 100. All right, I log that one. We logged this one just barely. 185, 250 sell. Basically the 185, 300 sell. Confused. I'm pretty sure we have another win. But well, fuck it. What's poppin', my boy? What it do, Gotham Gaming? Good morning, Paul. Good morning, Aurelio. Dale, escríbeme a privado, por favor. Boys, the way I'm looking at GJ right now, GJ looks like it's about to melt. Right now, it looks like the same. I mean, it's the same exact trade we took last time. You guys see that right there? It's the same exact trade. But this is a little bit of like an upside down head and shoulders formation. So we're gonna be patient to see what we end up doing. Even though this is, I love repeating setups. Repeating setups is something that I'm very used to doing. I'm very familiar with how I repeat setups, and I love it. Oh my god, dude, we hit take profit 2 to the T, man. This was insane trading that we did last week. Great way to finish off the week, boys. Great way to finish off the week. Why does this keep getting stuck up there, dude? If you guys actually look at the Discord, man, look at this thing. We called it out beautifully. Sell at 250, take profit 1, take profit 2. Take profit 1, smashed, take profit 2. I was eating, boys. What it do? Good morning, Eugene. Take profit 2 incoming. We got the smashed. And it means we did good. When people start smashing the thing, it's because we did good. Insane. Well, make sure you guys are in the Discord, because that's what we do on the Discord, boys. We call out our trades and we literally show exactly what the hell we're doing, our exact take profits. You know, here's me scaling into the position, and man, it was so up to the T. I like I said, for people who are just joining, I like repeating trades, so I want to say sells aren't a bad idea right here, but we have news coming in about 20 minutes, so I'm gonna be patient. I'm gonna be patient and let whatever pre-news movement happen, let it happen. I need to turn on my Razer Synapse. I don't know why my computer is running really slow. I need to do something to make my computer run quicker. Performance. Do I put it on graphics power or processing power? I think I'm pretty sure I need processing power right now. When I'm streaming, boys, I need processing power, I imagine, right? Yeah, I already feel my screen get quicker. Man, everything's going good, boys. Everything's going good. I'm just glad to be back in streaming. I mean, we're here early. We got the OGs pulling up to the stream. We're coming off of it was a decent week last week. I mean, trading's picking up now, as you guys can see. We're here one hour before London Open, basically, and we're seeing some volatility. That means the trading is picking up, as in we're gonna start seeing movement in these markets now. Quarter 1 is officially opened. All right, what about the chat? What is it when we're looking at GJ right here? So let's look at the daily candlestick chart on GJ. Daily candlestick chart on GJ actually is giving us really good vibes that we need to fly. Really good vibes. I mean, I think we might need to maybe come down a little bit more, maybe make some lows. It'd be a huge fake out for us not to fly. I mean, this is a strong bullish pattern here. Now, when we zoom in right here, I don't like how this looks. This little movement right here, this doesn't look like it's gonna go long. This is giving me vibes that, I mean, I hate calling tops, and I love to see like the bullish patterns that we have, like this inverted upside down head and shoulders. But realistically, I'm looking at this and it's, I mean, these are continuation candles that have wicks on top. Continuation candle. I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if we break these lows. And also, these SMAs don't look like we're getting ready to just bounce and go up. Really, I don't know. It just doesn't look like it. It looks like, why are they going to consolidate? It looks like we're going to zap downwards a little bit. But then when we zoom out and look at this daily, I mean, I'd take this trade 10 out of 10 times. 10 out of 10 times, but with a stop loss. Probably a little too big for what we want to do. You know, like, I don't know, maybe not. Maybe like a 35, 40 pip stop loss on GJ early trades. The thing is, I see this coming down. Like, I see it. Like, in time right now, I see it coming down. Maybe it comes down and we stay safe, or we throw a 35 pip stop loss, stay safe due to the fact that volatility is gonna, I mean, yeah. I mean, I just got on the charts right now, boys. I just got back from the gym. Where's Century at? Where's Century and Martin Seal? They always be telling me when I'm gonna start going to the gym. I just started going to the gym already, boys. I just got back from the gym. I played golf in the morning. That was about 24 hours ago. Maybe like a little bit less. That was about like 20 hours ago. I played golf. Then I went and I did a 2-hour run. I ran. And after that, I went to the gym. Hit back. Hit bicep. And then I went to the sauna. And I went to the ice bath to cool off my legs. Because my legs are killing me. I got them fat boy legs that are tired as hell. Guys, I'm thinking it's a 35 pip stop loss is the way to go with this trade right here. How many people in the chat, like, one's in the chat if you guys like the 35 pip stop loss right here? Who's feeling something? Who's feeling something like this? 35. $30 pip stop loss. You're in with this trade with a 30 pip stop loss, man. It's one of my favorite things to do, to take 30 pip stop losses whenever we're like, I mean, I like doing it bullishly whenever we're on a bullish pair like GJ. So whenever GJ is falling, and for example, we're 30 pips away from 185. 185 is a strong resistance level. I love just taking those 30 pip bounces, like saying, all right, stop loss at a solid number like 185, and let's just see if it bounces. GJ's gonna, man, look at the daily on GJ. Daily on GJ looks like it needs to go. Like, I'd be so surprised if it doesn't. Maybe we do need to take this trade. No, we're gonna wait for news, boys. What if we wait for news and it pops? Very confused on what I want to do. Mixed emotions you are seeing from your fellow trader. I think wait for our close confirmation. I mean, all these candlesticks have done nothing. There's nothing to, I mean, I don't think there's going to be any type of confirmation that is actual valid. Like, yes, it could close bullish and then you could wait, but then you're just late. And then this could close bearish, but then you're just late again. Like, I don't think any confirmation right here will help you with your trade. If anything, it's just going to make you think that one thing's going to happen. It might come down here. You might be confirming that it's going to keep on going down. Then it just bounces off this level support and then it just goes back up. And then you just barely gave yourself the worst possible motherfucking entry. And you just barely bought when it was falling. You know, I mean, sold when it was falling. I don't know. I don't think I'm going to be patient, but I don't think that I'm waiting for the candlestick confirmation. That's not the word I'm trying to use here. But I love that it's falling though. Boys, how you guys like the new thumbnail? New thumbnail got vibes? Vibes in this bitch. Beggy out west. Sleggy out west. Names a bit weird, to be honest. I see that. I don't know. I don't even know what we're talking about here. We're talking about the name of the YouTube channel. I got lost in the conversation. Ooh, where's Paras at? Oof, that's such a satisfying sound. Oof, 35 pip stop loss playing out to be maybe one of them. I gotta get my thoughts straight, boys. I gotta get my thoughts straight. Is that if this daily candlestick doesn't flip and make a top wick, it's like the biggest like fake out, as in like, I don't know. Like it knows the chart knows that there's a whole bunch of motherfuckers that are trying to get that top wick. It's obvious. That's why I feel like it's not going to hit. That's why I feel like it's a little too obvious. I feel like maybe before we make that top wick right there, I feel like what we need to do is maybe act like we're going to make the top wick and then just boom, stop out everybody. Liquidity grab, because maybe that this news is coming right now. Remember, boys, look, you guys look at the chart. That's why we're on early. There is news right now at 2 a.m. Maybe the news melts the chart, stops everybody out, and then we reject off the SMA, leave a huge wick, and then fly. That's maybe a play that I could go for. I don't know. Gonna have to be a little bit patient right now. Marcus too lit. Oh yeah, last week you did I help you out, Pass? Did I help you get to phase 2 last week? I'm pretty sure, Marcus, we caught that sell together. No, pretty sure, Marcus, you held that sell with me the whole time. Who guys? Anybody last week hold this complete hold this held dude? What the fuck is wrong with me? Who the hell took the sell with me? This cell right here. And Marcus too lit, if you could remember, what was my record supposed to be? I'm pretty sure I was loss, win, loss, win. This is the win. I'm pretty sure I took 2 wins at one point to leave it positive, or did I just leave it break even? Like I left it, like I'm pretty sure I'm missing a trade here. Like one of the ones that I took and then I got off stream, you know? I don't know. But this was the signal that we called out on Friday, boys. As you guys could see, admin signals. We literally called out that trade beautifully. That's when it started melting. That's how my money looked while it melted. Then we let it go all the way to take profit too. Ooh. A little bit tired, boys. But the energy is going to start kicking in now as the chart starts moving. Hello, baby. No more bread, no more pancitos for me. No, heater's right here. The light was blocking it. I don't know, but your last sell you called, I just woke up to a win. That's so great. I'm so happy that you executed. I mean, realistically, whenever you guys win trades and you guys take them with me, I don't even. It's not that you guys hit the trade because of me. Trading is individual, man. Trading is very individual sport. Let's say whenever we're in a trade, yeah, I can say we, but at the end of the day, I'm in a trade. You know, whatever I do, I'm the one who is in control. Yes, we could agree on certain things, and yes, we could we could fucking influence each other's decisions to be a little bit aggressive or to give us a little bit of confidence. But at the end of the day, this is all like everyone's out there for their own. And I guess my point is just congratulations to whoever fucking slaughtered the charts last week with me towards the end of the week. It's not because you guys took the trade with me and it was like, oh, this guy's making me money. No, it's because you guys, there was conviction at the end of what I was saying, and you guys believe, you guys saw the chart, You're the one who pushed the button. I don't know if I would have pushed the button for you. I probably wouldn't have. Get hit some. No, I heard something. Oh. You gonna put the heater, babe? Jesus, we gonna die in here, boys. You ever get drunk and blow an account? I don't recall if I've ever blown an account drunk, but I've obviously probably lost a trade drunk. Not because I was drunk. I mean, I guess the drunk part only just makes you, give less fucks. Maybe execute when you're not supposed to execute. I've been at a bar, executed, or like and then just like been like, that was fucking stupid. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I've done that. All right, boys, 7 minutes left on news. That's exactly what we're here live waiting for. Early. That's why we're live early. We're live early because we want to be able to slaughter. Man, the week just started for me. Did anybody trade yesterday? I didn't get on live yesterday because it was Martin Luther King Jr. Day. I had a feeling there was going to be a lot of movement happening. And was I wrong? I'm pretty sure charts did not move. Chat, any feedback? I'm drunk right now trying to protect my sister from her crazy boyfriend. Jesus Christ. Older sister, you actually just, that's all the information you had to give him. Let me know if it gets violent. I caught a small, I can't see the end of the word. Oh, it went sideways. All right, so it was a good thing that I didn't get on. I honestly felt it. I was like, bro, whenever it's long weekends and the US market doesn't open, bro, you usually see no movement, man. And I don't, guys, I don't get on here to fucking dance for you guys and entertain you guys. I get on here because I got accounts to trade and I only take one trade a day, and it makes it very simple for me to just show you guys the trade that I take. You know, it really doesn't come down to anything else besides me just I'm willing to do it. So if I'm not willing to take a trade, I'm not gonna get on stream. I'm not gonna get on stream to just fucking try to just, I don't know. I got to get some sleep. I'm just kidding. Sometimes I'll get on stream even if we're not gonna take a trade, I'll get on stream. Yesterday I just needed some sleep. Yeah, Mondays are the worst, and especially when there's news on the Mondays and then Mondays are closed. Oh my god, it's the worst. All right, chat. One's in the chat if you guys think that news is gonna push GJ upwards right now. Type 1 in the chat if you guys think that news is gonna push GJ upwards. Who thinks that GJ is gonna go? Who thinks GJ is gonna fly right now? All right, I'm getting my phone ready. My phone's gonna be on a little phone stand right in front of me. Anybody else put the phone stand in front of them to watch their phone? All right, boys. Anybody think that GJ is gonna sell? Type 2 in the chat if you think that GJ is gonna sell right now, boys. We have news coming in 4 minutes. We have 4 minutes still news. All right, so we got some people that think that it's gonna sell. I think that, yeah, it's not a bad. Boys, I like almond. I like the eye that you got going on there. What was I gonna say? Right investments. GBPY basket is bearish on daily and GJ. Wait. JPY is bearish and the daily is bullish. I agree with what you're saying. This daily on GJ looks very bullish. I mean, besides the daily looking bullish, the whole setup looks bullish. It's a fib long. SMAs are in our favor. And then it's a bullish pair. But it looks a little bit too obvious. It looks a little bit too obvious. You guys already understood when I said that. It looks a little too obvious. This setup right here gives me sell vibes when I'm looking at it from a 4-hour candlestick chart. This recent price action, I'm with Eric. I agree with Eric right here that this could have a random zap. I'm hoping for it zap downwards right now. All right, my random prediction, if this happens, you guys already know I'm the fucking go to Forex. Right now, chart is gonna open, small zap to the top, and then it's gonna go boom. Okay, it's gonna start melting. We're gonna think it's a melt out. At that time, I'm gonna start taking a buy, 10 lot, and then it might go down just a little bit more. I might take another 10 lot right there, and then it's gonna start bouncing, and it's gonna fly. The end of the news is gonna be bullish, but there's gonna be a huge wick to the downside. That is my prediction. Bueno, you're gonna go to sleep? ¿Te sientes bien? So like I agree that I see shorts. I see this. I see short term, that little setup right here, which is basically from here to here. This, I see this selling out. I see it going down a little bit right now. Or we're all here for fucking nothing, and this thing's not even gonna fucking make the chart move right now, which I've seen happen many times as well. Which kind of giving me the vibe because this, I don't know. Stop jinxing shit. Let's just see what happens. Good morning, Dahlia, though. How's everything? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Rumamamai. Boys, you guys hear the music in the background? My copyright strikes that I have, I'm basically like on a YouTube timeout. Oof. All right. It's melting downwards. Oh my God. I got the prediction correct, boys. I think we need to start taking some longs. I think we need to start taking some longs, boys. What's gonna happen here, boys? What's gonna happen here, boys? Oh, this thing's turning around. Oh, this thing's turning around. Oh, I'm getting people nervous right now with me talking. Oh, I got y'all nervous, boys. This thing's about to flip. I actually caught that sell. I'm about to take the long now, but I actually caught the sell. I'm gonna let it sell out a little bit more. I'll send you guys the Discord of it. I love getting you guys nervous. That shit's hilarious. Like, this is a little sell that I caught right now. Oh, it didn't open. Little $1,000. Is it bouncing, boys, or is it going to continue? That's what I'm confused about. All right, I did the first part, which was the sell. Now I'm supposed to take the bounce. Sell out more. Sell out more. Come on. It's that we're at 185, dude. We're at 185, and I don't think we're going to bounce off 185. I think we need to violate 185 a little bit. Like, violate it just a little bit. Epstein style. Oh. God. Oh, damn. I'm going to get canceled. I meant, Einstein style. Oh my God. The sniper buy is about to happen, boys. Upside down head and shoulders is going to play out. Dr. Peso, the king of London session, GJ to be exact, has predicted exactly what is going to happen. Told you guys, short-term sellout. It's gonna give us a little iwi, and then at the end of the day, it's gonna, at the end of this push, it's just gonna. Or now we about to go engulf this 8 SMA. Who knows? I still haven't taken away, guys. Remember, we are here. I'm gonna call out a trade still, boys. You know, I'm here. I'm here with you guys. The gambler just got in me right there, and I needed to hop into the sell. I knew I was gonna sell out. I had a 30 pip stop loss at the top. This is the 300K account that you guys saw recently. I needed to fucking trade it. I think you guys saw the 300K, my 300K account when it was down. I think it was down like $3,000. And now we are at... dude, I really need to figure out... I think it's because I have green screen that you guys can never see my phone. Fuck it. Oh, wait, I could just send you guys a screenshot, but that's irrelevant. I'm up $8,000. But on a 300K. So... it's not really much at all. Slowly but surely. Boys, that was the sniper buy. Oh my god. I'm in this buy also. I'm just kidding. Imagine. That'd be fucked. That'd be fucked. I didn't want to take it. Even if I trust the setup happening, I don't feel the FOMO enough to like fucking get me in and be like, oh, it's gonna fly right now, it's gonna fly. Like, there really is setups happening all day. All day. Oh, it's Lucas. What it do, Luke? Well, it's everything, brother. How has everything been? How's life been, brother? I mean, January started out rough. December, I didn't trade. November, since day one, we were just day one slaughter, day two slaughter, 3, 4, oh no, 6, 7, 8, 13. Like, man, this was just a fucking slaughterhouse. October, and then I'm pretty sure by like, I think you probably like left June, July. I think you left June, July, August, September, October, November. I'm pretty sure I've recently shown out. I guess I made this new little group, Lucas, and I showed at the beginning of the chat, I showed my most recent 3 payouts bi-weekly. So my most recent 3 payouts, I think, guys, if you guys do the math, in 3 weeks, well, in four weeks, I got paid out how much? Where is it? So this was in December. This was December 18th. This was December 18th. My approved FTMO payout, $8,500. So this was by the end of December. Before that, we on that same account. I can't find the screenshot, but I had a $10,000 payout. That was $8,000, $10,000. So we were around like $18,000 there. Then after that, this was the beginning of January. Let me see if I can find it. This was a $3,600, like January period 2024. Then I got paid out $3,600. And then they give me another account. And then what happened after that? Oh, let me see. Oh, this was the $10,000 payout before. Actually, we did find it. But that was smart prop. No, let me find the FTMO. There's like an FTMO $9,000 actual payout. And then currently right now on the same FTMO account. So this was got the beginning check of January. This is the second check of January. Second check of January. I haven't touched the account because the first 3 days, like it was the first 2 days I made $12,000, and I was like, you know what? I'm not touching this shit for 2 weeks. I've been waiting on this money for like 2 weeks. This money, I'm supposed to get paid this out on the 18th, 19th. And so that'll be the end of the January. So I have 2 Decembers, 2 Januaries, and we're going into February. I don't know, just been slaughtering it. Made over 22,000 in 3 weeks. Why? Because I can predict moves like this. Whenever I'm feeling aggressive and I don't got a whole bunch of people in front of me as well. Think about it. I trade the way I trade in front of you guys. Like, it's not that I trade worse. But it's kind of like, you guys know when you guys are playing a sport, you guys are playing a video game and you play it by yourselves and you guys like grinding it out and you guys do really well by yourselves. And then I know where you're playing with other people and it just, you do well, but like, I don't know, you feel like your best moments have ever been by yourself. That's kind of how trading is. Like I'm up here and I'm distracted as well. I'm here trying to fucking speak 24/7. I got a whole bunch of people that are fucking putting pressure on for trades. I got accounts to manage. Like, it's like, I could easily just shut all this bullshit off and just fucking and things, you know, things work. Like you guys, I don't think that you guys see the worst of me, but when we get on stream, boys, we literally get on where I have a 2 hour to 3 hour time frame period to be able to catch a trade. So sometimes in that 2 to 3 time frame hour period, man, sometimes there just isn't a trade. But for me to come up here and take a trade in front of you guys, what the task is for me to come on at a 2 or 3 hour period of time every single day, and within that time frame take a trade and, you know, try winning it. Like, what if the trade was before Asian? What if during Asian session pre-London there was nothing during London session, and then it went all the way to New York? And that's constantly what happens. A lot of the times I'm coming on stream and there's just not the traded. It's like not a tradable mark, or it's like just not the moment you're supposed to be taking the trade. And I mean that's like the battle. That's like the full battle of the beast for me trading on live, trying to keep a live streak, you know, going. It really just comes down to, you know, sometimes I gotta just avoid, you know, and tell you guys straight up, hey, there's no trade to be taken. This is a beautiful upside down head and shoulders about to play out. Trading is the loneliest business in the world. All right, so as this daily candlestick, even if it looks as bullish as I told you guys, as this daily candlestick comes down, even if I fucking told you guys that I like the upside down head and shoulders, I cannot ignore the fact that, man, remember how I teach zones are like magnets. We got a zone here, we got a zone here. We got magnet, we got magnet. We are closer to this magnet than we are to this magnet. So just based off that simple logic, you know, it gets me worried. Now I do see us giving upwards momentum, so it's a good anticipation tactic to be able to hop into it, you know, before it actually gets to the halfway point. Because once it's past this point right here, and we have a whole wick that's the size of goddamn Narnia, then it's pretty obvious for us to be like, oh, it's gonna flip bullish, right? But right now, we got a whole bunch of people think it's gonna flip bullish because there's no top wick, but truthfully, we're getting closer to this magnet level right here. This magnet level, which is attracting price. It's very strong. Remember, support and resistance, you want to think of them as levels, you want to think of them as zones. And these zones act as magnets. And when you bounce from one, you're going to go to another. So it's like we're bouncing, you know, there's a zone here, there's a zone here, and I guess there's a zone where we are right now. You know, are we going to go to here, or are we going to go here? But from here, we either go in here or we either go in here. It's very simple. Trading is very simple. You just got to look at it and, you know, got to make it simple. A lot of people like complicating things, adding fucking whole bunch of like balls, volatility, Bollinger Bands, and fucking some crazy ass goddamn Fibonacci levels, and fucking who knows the type of things that people be using nowadays. But I got pink candlesticks, bro. Tumilius, good morning, brother. I've been going to the gym. Well, I started going to the gym today, but now I can say that I go to the gym. You know, like today is the official. Yeah. I played golf in the morning. I ran 2 miles, did back, did bicep, did ice bath and steam room. Heck, some might say I'm a goddamn athlete. And my back is sore now. I gotta carry all these traders on me. Ooh. Oh wow, that's lit. Gotta go hit that T-bar. Ooh, dude, dude, kayak fishing is like the way that you fucking ask to fucking die. Catch a fish that's too big for your goddamn rod, you going overboard. Bro, did you get fucked over? I don't know. By who? by bullish. No, not at all. Well, no, I'm just kidding. Not at all. How could you get fucked over? This is bullish right here. I'm bullish. How do you get fucked over by bullish when I'm bullish? Does that make any sense? Does anybody understand what Luke is saying here, guys? Because I am completely confused. How do I get fooled if I'm the fooler? I know. How do you break the broken? How do you fix what doesn't need to be fixed? Iman Trading is going after all the traders. I don't even think I know that guy, and if he knows me, that's fucking awesome. Tell him to come fucking rank on me. I'll take some fucking free clout. Send him my link. Tell him I said that he fucking trades like the fucking banks. Tell him I said he trades like the banks. And that's an insult. Tell him I said I don't know, dude. Tell him I said he's a wannabe Managazi. Boys, is that audio way too low? The background music, is it way too low? Or is that a good level? All right, boys, honestly, I think that if we were actually going to leave a huge wick rejection, all right, so I agree with the fact that this looks like an upside down head and shoulders, right? I agree with the fact that we're at a major level of support right now. We are seeing a major level of rejection. Yes, we have our 50 SMA that we are rejecting from. Major level of support right here. Bullish pair if we look at the daily. I would agree with all those things. Doesn't throw out the door that we have a very, very strong bearish candlestick that closed at this level of support. I think it's going to continue to the downside right now. I really do think it's going to continue to the downside. I think the smart trade to be taking right now, we're not going to execute as we speak because it is still early into the session. I think the smart trade right now is to sell. I think that if you guys are actually going to execute on, if you guys are dying to take multiple trades because you guys are already down and you guys know you guys are going to fucking, you guys are in beast mode and you guys know you're not going to listen to me and take one trade a session, take the sell. Don't take the buy. Take the sell, don't take the buy. That's all I'll tell you. If you guys are on beast mode right now and you guys are fucking taking buys, taking sells, you guys lost a little bit of money because of the volatility, like that's the trade. That's the trade that I think is a higher probability trade. Tell Iman that and see what he says. Fuck pussy. Marcus says, bet. Man, I want all the smoke. I copy paste delete niggas. Put them in a swisher. If this goes all the way up to here, I'm taking the sell. If it goes into my drawdown, I'll let you guys know when I'm actually executing my position. I have this up on the board to kind of throw like a psychological position out there right now, just to keep us a little bit distracted. I'm about to go check out gold. We still have 45 minutes, a little bit longer till we have like 45 minutes till London Open, boys. So we have, and I know there's nothing that's really rushing us into a trade. We're kind of just scoping out the vibe of the market, seeing how it's moving, seeing the volatility, seeing if there's any irregular movement. You know, we just barely had the volatility push. Now let's see if it's going to keep on reacting slow. You know, just analyzing all these things. What did do, realist Rick? How's everything, brother? Boys, after this volatility push, right? After the volatility push that we had, type 1 in the chat if you guys think that we're bullish. I want to know how many people in here are bullish. Type 2 in the chat if you think that we are bearish. El Boquito. Buenos días, buenos días. Brothers, 1s and 2s. I want to see what the chat thinks. Also, I guess we're doing another time. We're doing it again where we get 100 likes and we are doing a $100 giveaway. 100 likes, $100 giveaway. 100 likes equals $100 give away. Bruh, I can't even pin this shit. Come on. What the hell? Get off of my screen. Like, am I even on the correct page right now? Somebody type some shit in the chat. There we go. Boys, can you guys see that little fucking munchkin that's on my screen? Or nobody sees him? This fucking chupacabra looking ass thing right here. You guys see that? Or you guys just ignore it the whole time? And I'll take your bitch in a second. VVS's all on my necklace. I traded AP, told my Drew to protect it. What a smart guy, man. A lot of people think that the AP is on top. I definitely, actually, I'll take that back. I was gonna say I prefer Patek, but actually, I don't know. Can't afford either, so maybe I shouldn't be giving my opinion. When it rains, it pours. Boys, I called out this fucking sell. Well, I said it would recover and it would end up flying. So, I mean, the last part we're missing is the flying, but did you guys not fucking see that call out right there? Did you execute though? Yes, go fucking check the Discord. Go fucking check the Discord. We are jump to present. 185 300 185 129. A little $1,000. Good morning, Arnolds. How are you, Arnolds? Arnold's is from Latvia. Do you guys fucking know where that is? Like Latvia, brother. Do you guys understand that? Latvia. Guy's like half Russian. What it do, Eugene? Brother, my weekend was, what did I do on the weekend? Oh, my weekend was good. My weekend was good. I went to the gym today, Arnold. I started going to the gym. I'm letting all my streamers, all my buddies know that. All my OGs know that. So every time I come on stream, they could ask me, did I go to the gym today? So for all those who asked me, did I go to the gym today? Yes, I did. Yes, I did. Yes, I do. All right, boys. We're taking this trade. Hop in the sell. 30 pip stop loss sell. 30 pip stop loss sell. Entry at 185, 170. Start set. 185, 170. Hop in the sell, boys. Hop in the sell. Hop in the sell. Hop in the sell. Here, it's a 30 pip stop loss. Yo, damn it. It's gonna be harder. Oh! It's all fine. 185, 170. Stop loss 185.470. No! Stop, you fucking whore. Chill. Chill, 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 chill. Eric, question mark why? I think that this wick right here is way too big, way too early into this candlestick. I think we have 7 minutes left. I doubt that within 7 minutes, with both our SMAs being bearish and bearish, that this 30-minute candlestick is literally just gonna fucking leave a wick right there, and then the next one's just gonna open and go straight up without coming any retracement. That makes no sense to me. I think right now we just barely had a huge bounce rejection. Yes, sure. Wherever we close, we could close here, we could close here. The next candlestick that opens, I feel like the next candlestick that opens is going to open momentum to the downside, and we're going to wick fill this. Yes, maybe after we come halfway and wick fill it, maybe we'll bounce around here, but I think that we're going to wick fill this rejection that we have here. I already got the sell. Might as well catch it again. My entry last time was 185, 300. This one's 185. Wow, pretty good. My entry right now is 185.8, 180. I'll just leave it at 175, same shit. Are you sure? What the hell? Let me see. Realist Rick. Dude, boys, anybody here last week remember how I'm pretty sure we have another win here that we're supposed to put. I'm not 100% sure, so I'm gonna skip a line here. I'm gonna put 1. I mean, it's the 16th. We hopped into trade right now at 2. How come I can never find that? 4, like 3 minutes 23, I guess. London, GJ, sell. 185.170. 185.770. 185.470. It's unlocked. Bush, 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 bush. I have a screenshot button on my keyboard. This shit's lit. Screenshot. Let's get that sent over to Discord. Wick fill, wick fill. Wiki, 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 wick fill. Man, Keeping my bank Chris Breezy, ayy. I make this shit look easy, ayy. Oh, that's beautiful, man. You've been fucking slaughtering it then. You've been holding for a while, but you've been slaughtering it. Because we haven't been there in a fat minute. 485. We haven't been to 485. We haven't been to 485 since for like 10 hours, no? 485 was hit 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours ago. So you've been in a trade for 6 hours, young official trader. Well, boys, I send all my trades that I take to the Discord. I'm pretty sure I make that very clear every single time. If you guys want to join the Discord, you guys are not in the Discord, look at the link right now. Look at the comment section and the link. Comment section. If you guys want to check out for yourselves my spreadsheet, you guys can check out my spreadsheet by looking at the comment section right there also. That is my spreadsheet. Stelio contour, Stelio. Look, that looks like a continuation candle to me, boys. I don't know. I think this candlestick is going to wick fill this 30 minute. That's exactly the setup I was waiting for. I feel like this 30-minute candlestick isn't going to reject the support. I feel like it's closing at support, acting like it's rejecting to just open a new candlestick and fall. It's a typical setup I see all the time. Bullish lifestyle textbook setup there. All right, so we are currently about, we're like 10 pips up. We called out this trade about 10 minutes ago. We had a huge wick fill. Okay. What the fuck am I doing? All right, boys. So news came recently and we had a liquidity grab. We had a strong liquidity grab and I did not think that it was strong enough, as in we did not keep on pushing up. After this liquidity grab came, oh, there's this. Boys, after this liquidity grab came at 2 o'clock, we lost our bullish momentum and we started closing at this level of support. Therefore, I had a strong feeling that when London Open started actually happening, we started getting some more momentum, we would start pushing to the downside. And that is why I decided to take a sell at support. Taking a sell at support, I talk about all the time that is not my favorite thing to do, but sometimes when you know momentum is in your favor, and I mean, it's a clear candlestick setup that I teach all the time on stream. So congratulations to whoever took this trade. We're currently up right now, and I think that we're looking at a really good position. I hate jinxing things, and I hate taking things for assured before they happen, because nothing's assured in Forex, but we're in a strong position right now, and at least that you got to get yourself a very strong entry. And yeah, congratulations for the executions, boys. Bro, what's the reason I changed the name? It's called rebranding. We are rebranding because, I don't know, we're gonna be more of like a one-man marching band now, and the one-man marching man means that we need to write solo. Hitting on my shore and can't stop my shine. I'm done in cloud nine, my head's in the sky. I'm solo. I'm riding solo. I'm riding solo. I'm riding solo. Shaking on my head, can't stop my stardom. Thought in cloud nine, my head's in the sky. You guys know that song? I'm solo. I'm riding solo. Going solo. Continuation candlestick. You running solo. Win streak ends today. I will be there. What the hell with this guy? Look at this guy's name. He's literally trolling other fucking streamers for sure. This guy says win streak ends today and I will be there. That is hilarious. Paras! I called out 2 sales. This is the second sale. Papa, where you at? We making money here. Where you at? You're late. Bro, Donvo's never gonna lose his win streak because it's not real. Like, who the hell thinks that that's actually a real win streak? I was with Lambo Raul talking to him about that the other day. I was like, yo, what the fuck do you say of that? I told him what I say on stream, and he did not tell me at one point that he did not agree. He told me that he completely agreed with what I said. He did not deny it. He wasn't gonna. Lambo wasn't the type of guy to trash talk anybody, so he wasn't really gonna say anything negative about it. But he definitely fucking he knew, you know. That's like me closing my trade right now and be like, boys, we just won. I'm up $700. I'm up $700 right now. I could easily just be like, boys, I made $700 a day, 365 days a year. Do the math. That's fucking $4 million. I'm a $4 million trader. Win streak never lost because I use a 80 pip stop loss, and then if I go into drawdown, I use like and then when you go into drawdown, you just got to use like you double the stop loss. You know, if you were in a 90 pip stop loss down 50 pips, only thing you got to do is martingale your trade, hop in again, and I'll just double that stop loss and double the trade. And then if that one happens, you already got a whole bunch of followers on Instagram who are paying you for your course anyway, so you're loaded with money. Might as well just quadruple the lot size, and the second that you get any profit, man, like just take it. Honestly, that's probably how the hedge funds trade now. Who knows? Dude's a clown. Don 1 pip. Don. Somebody can think of a name with Don. Don. I don't know. Don. Just. Fucking. I was about to say something rude. I'm gonna be a person that has filter, but I was about to say something rude. I was about to say something rude. I was about to bring ethnicity into this. Or I don't even know what I was about to say. I was about to say something about like Chinese people. If it works, boys, sitting on $1 million. 700 a day in the 9 to 5 space is not easy. I could give it to you that he no, it's not a good trader. When it comes down to skill, it's like I don't fucking know, dude. It's like when you put up like all the best soccer players in the world, you look at the guy that's the most complete and the most effective, right? Now, there's could be a guy that's really effective, you know. There could be many effective guys. Peter Crouch doesn't mean that he's the world's fucking best. We have Fernando Torres, very effective. Oliver Morata, very effective. We're never the world's best. Then we have other people that are just fucking complete players. Complete, and at everything they do, they are the best. Somebody who knows how to actually catch a if you do not know how to catch a 1-to-1 risk reward ratio, then you're lacking a skill set. You might have a lot of attack, or you might have a good shot, but you don't know how to dribble the ball. You know, you might have a good shot, but you can't dribble the ball. You can't hold a 1-to-1 risk reward ratio. Where's your patience? Where's all that? Now, some people know how to make money with a whole bunch of money. Sure, you know, like I'll give one guy $1 million and he could go play poker and he'll probably start slaughtering all the other poor ass motherfuckers. But it's a lot different if I give everybody in the room $100 and I tell you, all right, you guys got 1 session right now to see what you guys can do, and then you do it again and do it and tell them, all right, now you got 5 sessions. And like, I don't know. I think when you start putting all these little small comparisons of what a good trader is, I mean, I don't know. I doubt he made that million. I doubt. You say he's sitting on $1 million. I doubt he made $1 million trading. God damn, I'd love to see that profit. Made $1 million trading. Once you had $1 million, you'd make 10 million. How about this? If you give him a $100,000 challenge, will he be able to pass it? Will he be able to pass it? That's a good question I want to ask you guys. One's in the chat if you think you'll be able to pass it. And I'm asking genuinely. Genuinely, I'm asking. Do you think he'll be able to, like, does that trading strategy work on like a prop firm? Like, would he be able to throw like a, like, what happens if he goes through, what if he enters like in a 50 lot on 100K and then he just goes through like a draw, and then he goes through some drawdown? Or like, what if you guys, I've never seen Donvo trade. I've never seen him. I'm actually probably the worst person to be commenting on him. I'm kind of commenting on what I hear about him, which is probably the negative stuff. But what I let's start with the good stuff. I know that he trades his account live in front of people, and he makes money in front of people on that account, and he grows it in front of people. So not being able to trade, I'm not saying that he's not able to trade. That's okay. That statement's false. I'll say that. That statement is not a good statement. Now, is he the best trader? Is he a trader I look up to? Is he a trader that I think will teach you how to make money? Zero chance. Zero chance. If you don't got $1 million, you ain't making money like him. Or you got to be throwing 0.1 lots on a goddamn $1,000 account. What's his risk size? Like, that's what I want to know. I don't get that. Like, what the fuck? Which, like, how does one losing trade wipe out 25? Trading is about probabilities. Nobody could beat those probabilities. Nobody, unless you're a money printer. As in, like, losses 100%, even if you have the correct setup, are gonna come. Boys, there's no formula to trading. There's zero formula to trading. You don't just go on a 25 win streak. As many times as you think you could go on a 25 win streak is as many times as you could go to the roulette. How many times have you gone to the roulette and seen 25 black hit 25 times? How many times have you seen somebody go play blackjack and either the dealer win 25 times in a row or you lose 25 times in a row? How many times have you flipped a coin and hit it 25 times in a row? How about this? I bet you I'll grab a dice, a 4-headed dice. There's a number 1 on one side, and then there's 4s. There's 3 other 4s. There's 1, 4, 4, 4. You flip that shit. I promise you, you will not hit 25 times in a row 4. You know what I'm trying to say here? Do you guys, if you understand that logic that I'm trying to get at, it's because you're on the level of understanding why this guy is not fucking shitty trader. Like, I don't know what the fuck is, I don't know what the, but this is trading. There's no formula. I could have the perfect setup and 9 and 8 times out of 10 it's gonna hit, but man, there's those 2 times that it's not gonna hit. How the fuck you don't beat those odds? That's why you have to plan. You know, the losing's in your plan. Losing's in your plan for that exact reason. So that's kind of what I think about that. You can't beat those probabilities. That's what I'm trying to say. Like, there's no going around it. You're either adjusting something. You're either making an illusion of winning. I don't know. You don't just beat those probabilities. Exactly. Did you not use? That's a perfect comment. It's like Slick Blocker just said, "I never knew you could stop learning." Like who? What actual famous Forex trader or actual famous trader in the world? Somebody who's actually you know fuck these like what we do on YouTube is fucking clown shit. You know, it's like YouTube golf. Like what actual professional has said that? Yeah, like I got this down. Like I don't fucking 25 times in a row. Imagine a hedge fund winning 25 times in a row. Goddamn, I'd be everybody in the world would be invested in that shit, and goddamn Illuminati would take it over. It is possible though, 100%. In possibilities, is it possible? 1000%. Now, the chance that that guy's doing it just randomly every single time, fucking never just never loses, and then like no, dude, like I don't know what we're talking about. Clearly not. What else can he learn from trading if he wins 25 trades in a row? Sheesh, dude. If I won 25 trades in a row, why don't you just go all in on the 26? You know, fucking put my house down. I'll sell the house, sell the cars. Why fucking put the fucking loans, everything on loans? Let's check out some loans and let's collectively fucking make a GoFundMe for Donville's next trade. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna make a GoFundMe. I need you guys all to subscribe. And this GoFundMe, we're gonna make it very famous. It's gonna be, we're making a GoFundMe for Donville's next trade on live stream. You know, like share with the community, bruh. Like share with the community, bruh. And Mamba be doing the same shit also. So funny how the best content creators, funny how the best, like Mamba's the best content besides like Swag. I think Mamba's the best content creator. He fits the YouTube. Funny how the best content creators are the ones that come up with 83 win streak. Why don't they come up with those numbers? Because that's what clickbait hits. That's the clickbait that hits. How come the best, Donville's a really good content creator also. It's funny how the most clickbaity guys, the most YouTubey traders, YouTuber type traders are the guys that are fucking claiming to fucking win 50 times in a row, 25 times in a row. I just barely processed that in my head. It's like, obviously, I feel like that's obvious. That's like what fucking Jake Paul would put if he had to put it, you know? Fucking, I just lost my leg, you know? Just like, who the fuck? That's the only people clicking on that are the people that don't know how to trade. Great content creator. I wish I knew how to execute content on that level of. Wanna know why? They just speak great bullshit. They're great at speaking bullshit, maybe. I'll tell you guys how it is. You are not gonna become a fucking profitable trader if you guys are laying down in your goddamn bed, fucking on your phone, thinking that you guys are just gonna start hitting trades left and right, and it's just not gonna happen like that. There's a lot more to this trading fucking world. It's not easy. It's not an easy thing. The best winners, the people that win the most, are the ones that have lost the most. Does that make sense? The biggest winners are the biggest losers. I say it all the time when I'm on stream. I'm like, guys, you guys think that you guys are going through, you guys think that you guys are fucking losing trades. Boys, I promise you I've lost. Double the amount of trades you guys have, I've lost. Triple the amount of money you guys have lost, I've fucking, and obviously I'm speaking hypothetically, generally, not direct to you guys. You guys are here every single fucking night. I know that we got a group full of savages, but you got, like, there's just more than just showing. First of all, it's showing up every night. Once you get that out the door, man, a lot of people think showing up just fucking being in your covers, being on the phone sideways, you know, you're like fucking hopping in to buy and hopping in to sell, close. You don't like that trade. Let me get a new demo account right now. Let me fucking figure out how to get $50 and get a 10K account. Is this 10K? Okay, this is the last 10K account. This will change my life. I'm telling, like, that's not gonna work, boys. You gotta be, first of all, when you really want to make it in Forex, be ready to lose and be. I remember when I first, and I've said this before, when I would start losing, it was fun because my first live account ever, I made like $1,000 on it with $1,000. I hopped on during news. I did some random shit, wrong lot size. I'm up $1,000, closed, panicked. That was the first $1,000 I've ever made in a day. That $1,000 lasted me like 4 months of just $50 here, $20 here, $50 here. Man, I was just scalping, going up and down. And as my account was going down, I was fine with it because I made the money. I was willing to lose 1,000 from the beginning. It was my first initial deposit of 1,000. I knew I was going to lose the money. I didn't give a fuck about the money. But when the account was finally blown, it was such a sigh of relief of like, That was my first blown account. That's what everybody's talking about. All right, I'm going to manage risk next time. I'm not going to be the guy that blows accounts because I know that all it takes is risk management. All I got to do is manage risk. And it's the same bullshit you tell your guys every fucking night. You still don't follow the goddamn rules. So like anybody who cookie coats the what trading is and what it takes to execute it, it's disrespectful to people like me that don't speak bullshit like that. I can't fucking get on stream. I can't fucking get in front of the camera and start telling you guys, buy my $300 courses and gonna change your life. This is how, you know, like I don't know what the hell the bullshit they be feeding nowadays. Goddamn, you don't hit 53 trades in a row, or unless you goddamn fucking got a fucking apartment at the Porsche Design building down in Miami where fucking Lionel Messi lives. You know? You're right. That's the young official. You've said something completely valid. I 100% should go watch his streams myself and go see the win streak. 100%. That's totally right. I agree with you on that. It's not fair for me to be talking without looking. Goddamn, all this talking, I'm in drawdown. Wick became big. It's totally fine though. I mean, we're gonna hold this trade. We're gonna see what happens. We're still basically, I mean, we're back in the range, which I don't like that. I was expecting for us to destroy the range. Didn't close while we were up. Trying to go for the 1-on-1 restore ratio, as we always do. Trade's not looking ugly. It's not looking nice. You know, it's just really we're caught in a no momentum space. 10 minutes till London Open though. I am in. Yes, I am in. I'm in a 10 lot. I was up $700 to $800. Now I am down $500. 465, 472, 465, 472, 464. Yeah, basically there. Who even are you defending this? Honestly, who am I compared to Donvo? I'm him. I see what you're saying, Slick. No, 100%, 100%. You could do it. Like I mean, I've done the same thing also. You know. I mean, it's not. I wasn't trying to say it so literally though. It was more of a thing of just it's not so straightforward. You got to put in the hours and a lot more than that. So, in my world of trading, my world that I learned, I got into like the scene of trading, like let's say 5 years ago, right, 6 years ago. From everybody that I've learned and like people that are around me, Lamba Raul, FX Alex G, JP Savage, the other JP, dude, everybody who hangs out with Daniel Savage, Dr. Dollar. Dr. Dollar would bend those rules also, but whatever. The only way to win a trade is like what's considered a win is when what you officially risked, what you were 100% willing to lose, when that gets hit in profit. So when you hit your 1-to-1, that's what an official for me in my life, my whole trading career, my life, that's what I was taught. That is what for me, that's the normal. That makes sense. It's like when you go in sports bet and and there's a major favorite. You got fucking the guy NBA team versus the girls. One of them you got to bet $1,000 just to win 100, and you bet on the team $1,000 to win 100. It doesn't make you a smart gambler. It makes you a fucking idiot, actually. You know, it makes you a fucking idiot. That's the truth of that's the way. So like when you win a bet, it has to be you know, somewhat balanced. It's like imagine like some guy going and just like proud that he fights fucking little girls, and he just knows how to beat up little girls, and he's like, bro, I've beat up like 50 fucking girls before. Doesn't fucking, so like that's my logic on it. Like that's so when you're telling me that they're going on big win streaks, like I guess the question is, what is a win to you to what is a win to me? Like I guess if a win to you is getting a pip in profit, 2 pips in profit, and that's all you need to be able to be satisfied, I mean, guess we're talking about different games here, you know? You're probably talking softball, I'm playing baseball, you know? You're in the minor leagues, I'm in the major leagues. I'm a scalper, boys. I'm a scalper. I take 35 pip stop losses, 40 pip stop losses, and I'm a scalper. I think anything less than what I'm doing, you're gambling. And it's irrelevant. No top FTMO trader. Look at the leaderboards. Nobody does it like that. Nobody takes 1 minute scalps. Nobody. If you're taking 1 minute scalps, boys, I'm telling you, you're gambling. You're gonna be up some one week, you're gonna lose another. There's no actual probability statistical odd that happens on the 1 minute. Everything is 50 times this, 50. It's a 50-50 most of the time, and everything's just 50-50. It's coin flips. 1 minute trading is coin flips. Young official. Young official is not. I like this guy, young official. I really do. I think Slick's just trying to make his point pretty clear also, which is very valid as well. So, I mean, but young official, I completely think that you have said, I mean, you've said nothing but that, you know, we just need to clarify the communication, I guess. So this guy said Donvo wins 0.005 of his wins. He does, so like that's what I mean. Like I guess it's just like what I've always thought, the way Daniel taught me, the way everybody taught me, the way I see people around me trade, I thought that the win would happen at the 1-to-1. You know? At least halfway. Like imagine we got halfway here and I told you guys, boys, I don't like how it's looking. We're gonna close right here. And like I think I've done that before, and I think I only did that once, and I don't even know if I put the win, but I remember once I closed out early and I wanted to fill up my chart, and I was like, boys, we're gonna or like I've done it many times when we're like 2-3 pips away. 100% I've done it 2-3 pips away, 4 pips away, and been like, boys, I'm closing here. It's the same shit. We're out. I've done that before. I've done that like twice, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. Done the less than 5 pips. 10 pips? No, I haven't done 10 pips because that's kind of not hitting the trade. Have I done it halfway once? I think I did that. I don't know. Maybe at some point last year. I don't know. You guys watch me all the time. I don't fucking know. But I know I've closed early, but I've never done the 1 pip thing. This guy said, "Lose the ego." This guy called me a clown. Oh, that's fucking hilarious. You guys are lose the ego. You call me a clown. This is so funny. What's the ego? Do you think Donvo would have closed if he went through this drawdown I was just barely in, if we had the same exact entry? Guillermo Hernandez says that's the way I was taught as well. I'm pretty sure it's just the logic. It's like, I don't know if you guys know sports odds. Imagine you have Real Madrid versus like the worst possible fucking soccer team that there is in La Liga, and like you bet on Real Madrid, you bet $50 to win 5. Like you're not a good better because you did that. You're not a good gambler because you did that. You're actually a fucking idiot for risking $50 for 5. Even if you won, you know, like it's like, I don't know. That's the way I see it, because those odds are gonna get you fucked. And if you're not a sports gambler, do it. I'm telling you, those odds are there every single day. Vegas makes them. Go bet on a whole bunch of minus 500s and watch. You will not win 500 trades in a row up until you're gonna lose. You're gonna lose real quick, and you're gonna be down real quick. Like and then you're not gonna be able to make up for that win again unless you fucking go crazy. I think I'm being so strong about my opinion. It's not because I'm me psychoanalyzing why I'm still talking about it. I just think, and I'm not with the bullshit. That's literally what I think, and I think that I'm not with the bullshit. As in, like, I don't think it's like somebody coming into my chat and saying like, oh, this guy's on a 53 win streak. I feel not disrespected by that person. I feel like I put in hella effort for my trades. For the max, I've had the max a 10 win streak, 11 win streak on live, I think, with you guys, 12, 11, 10, multiple times. But that's the max I've ever been able to do, and I've been so impressed with that, like so impressed. And then for somebody to come and be like, oh, this guy got 30 fucking wins. I'm just like, what the fuck? I'm just like, yo, like, what the fuck is, like, there's just like, I just, like, you know, it just rubs me the wrong way, because I'm just, and then I know where I got somebody in my chat who think that that's actually possible. Like, imagine you, like, actually fucking thinking like that's the end be a goal and being like, all right, I'm gonna be a fucking professional trader. What does that mean? It means I'm gonna learn how to hit 50 trades in a row. You're not gonna, like, it's just not a good mentality to have. You know that one loss off stream 2 months ago that I costed him 50K affected? That's so funny that this guy's name is what initiated the whole conversation. This guy's name is literally out there to get this guy, and this guy hasn't even commented anything on what we've been saying. No, I don't like that candlestick opening. Please, I don't like that candlestick opening. Come down, come down. Boys, if you do not want to be in this trade, you could get them. My bad. That was a savage coming out of me. Boys, we are near break even, boys. If you guys want to be in this trade, I think that it is a perfect time for you guys to just make sure you guys are managing risk. Price is moving against us right now. Probabilities are not in our favor. Well, actually, what am I saying? This looks like a wick fill, boys. This looks like a wick fill. I like the trade. The 1 hour right now looks like a wick fill. It really does. Like, what's that chance that wick? What's the chance that 50? Like, this 50 is not gonna hold. I cannot see that 50 holding. I like the trade I'm in. Josie's on a vacation far away. I got 2 tickets to Iron Maiden, baby. Being a profitable trader and hearing someone else on a 53 win streak, some mind-boggling shit, right? But also, let's put this into oh wait, he trades live accounts. I was gonna say, if you guys look at the top, that's what I love doing, guys. I love going to the prop firms and I try looking for their leaderboards and look for their top traders. Daniel Savage just barely had an interview with the guy who's gotten the biggest payouts on FTMO. He's the #1 trader on FTMO. Go to a guy like that, because that's like, those are like the 1%. I'm not one of those guys. I maybe could develop my skill to get there because I'm very good at looking outwards in. But I use this analogy all the time, boys. There's people that are really good at playing poker, and yeah, they can play really good poker because they got, you know, they're set in tables where they have, you know, amount of monies that we all like. But then there's that 0.0001% of people that have that bull in them that could just keep on pushing and put, like, if you've never seen $25,000 and you're in a trade and you're up $25,000, you're fucking closing that trade. There's very, very few little people that know how to just see money go up in their face and not be like, I want to claim this, I want to claim this, I want to claim this. Now I don't want to lose it. If you've never had $100,000, if I give you $100,000 right now, you will not be trading fucking you will not be trading fucking risking $10,000 per trade or $5,000 per trade. Like I'm telling you, you won't. You're gonna still be scared. Your risk tolerance is not gonna be there. And there's very few people that actually have that dog in them that could push. Like those are the guys that become very famous in Vegas, and there's very few. Like I don't know, and most of them are like I don't know. That's just you don't see that, guys. You don't see that. And here's my wick fill coming, as I said, boys. So for the guy on the top said a wick fill would be devious. And when you first said when I first read when you said the wick fill would be devious, I thought you put the wick fill as obvious, and I was like, yeah, I mean that's what I've been saying. The wick fill is not devious. The wick fill is obvious. It's just something that fucking somebody who comes from Don Vo's trade can't. Oh! I'm kidding. I was completely kidding. I wanted to finish the sass with some. I was trying to. I had to defend my boy Slick, dog. You coming at my boy? That's funny. Do you guys know on Instagram who that guy Mickey is, who's tatted up? He's on TikTok also. He's tatted up everywhere, and he's on TikTok, he's on Instagram, and what he does is that he was on like the dude, he's just famous in social media. He lives in LA, he lives in Vegas, and he goes to casinos, and he's banned from all the casinos. He's banned from almost every fucking casino because he's really fucking good. And I thought he was complete bullshit, and then I looked more into him, and no, he's really banned from every fucking casino. He really runs it the fuck up. They don't allow him anywhere. His name's Mickey. You guys go on TikTok. He makes TikToks on explaining how the casino fucks you, and he makes TikToks going to the casino and getting kicked out because they don't let him gamble, and him trying to push limits and push. Like this guy is the degenerate, and that's how you got to look when you're ready. If you guys really go on TikTok and just put like the ways that the casino cheats you, and it's the guy that's tatted everywhere. His name is Mickey. It looks like a fucking punk rocker. Those are the people that are willing. When you're in those positions of like a whole bunch of money's in your hand, and you either could cash out and keep on going, or cash out and keep on going. Those are the people. If I right now put $500,000, we have 47 people in this stream. If I tell you right now, hey, I could give you this $500,000, or you have a chance to make it $600,000 and keep on playing. All 47 of these people, including me, 48 of us, are taking the $500,000. There's people that don't give a fuck and can keep on going and pushing and pushing and pushing. Why? Because they've lived all the way at the bottom, they've lived all the way at the top, and they're fucked in the head, and they don't give a fuck. You know, they'll live on the street, cold as fuck, they don't give a fuck. You know, give them a goddamn beer, give them a little cigarette, they're fine. And when they're at the top, they're doing the same thing. They just need a beer and a cigarette, but at the penthouse. Those guys are the 0.001%ers, and very few people exist like that in trading. They'd be famous now. That doesn't exist anymore. And then in gambling, they're dying out because the casinos don't let them play anymore. Like the people don't let them play at the casinos. You guys know what I'm talking about? You guys don't know what I'm talking about. But that's really how it is, boys. What if Dombo sees this and calls you out on a challenge to pass a funding challenge? That would be super fun. That would be super fun. I mean, he would probably blow it, dude. Like, I mean, honestly, who knows? Maybe the pressure would get to him and he'd actually try to, like, take a risk management trade. Like, I mean, I do this shit live, boy. I honestly do not give a fuck. Put him on the same session of GG that I am on. The second that he says he's taking a buy, I'll tell him, boy, I'm taking a sell. I'll tell him straight up. The second you take a buy, I'm taking a sell. And the second he takes a sell, I'm taking a buy. I'll take the opposite of whatever he takes. Just like facts. Like that would be like you want the buy, take the buy. I'll take the sell. Like I'll let him choose his poison. And I want to see how quick he'll blow that account. Reach fucking 4%, 5% drawdown, some shit. I'm just kidding, boys. I think that he actually would have the ability to pass it. I think he'd change his trading style. I think he'd actually change his trading style. I actually like the dude. I don't like the 52 win streak bullshit, but like I like the dude, to be honest. I like his content creation. He's very good at creating content. I think that if he wouldn't, I don't know what he teaches on his stream if he's fucking taking those type of trades. Cause like I wouldn't be able to take those type of trades in front of you guys because I kind of teach the opposite of that. But like I think that like he's obviously fucking very good at talking to people. He's obviously very fucking good. Now, do I think that he could fucking see a wick fill? We saw a huge wick rejection right now. Straight bullish momentum. Baited a whole bunch of people into thinking that support was going to hold. I understood that this was a whole fake out and I took the impulsive sell at a support level, knowing that we were going to still wick fill. Went through a little bit of drawdown and we're still in this. And we are currently up. How much? We are currently up $950. That's not much. $950. I'm on a 300K account. I'm on a 300K account. That's why it's not enough. $900 is good money. No, I haven't started the leveled up account. There was a 300K that we traded last week that I started down on because I didn't have the leveled up account. Oh, that's why I was down on it. I didn't have the leveled up account. So we took the first trade, which was this trade right here. Where is it? January. We took this trade and lost it on the 300K account. So I was down 2%. I mean, yeah, I was down like a 1.5% maybe. And after that, I was like, all right, boys. I mean, I just waited for the 100K account and I've been trading this and I'm up $9,000 right now on this 300K, including this trade. So, I mean, hopefully I get to $10,000 today and I'll be up 3% and then I'll work on another 3% later and then I'll work on another 3% later. I don't know. I'm not really the type of guy to just fucking take a huge ass lot size. And now I'm up $10,000 realistically. If I do get bored and like, you know, and like, I just don't do it anymore. I don't try to rush challenge passes, but I could easily just risk this $10,000 and try scalping myself up and down. But like, I just know that my probabilities are going to come and I know I'm going to hit my trades on the long run, boys. Like, I don't mind taking a loss, especially like imagine this trade turns the fuck around and it makes me lose. I don't mind it because I just know that at the end of the day, I'm still going to win more than I lost. So therefore, if I just keep on following my rules, I'm straight. Like, there's literally nothing that I'm scared of. I'm completely fine with taking a loss. Fine with taking 2 losses in a row. I'm completely fine with this month starting off a little bit hard. I'm pretty sure there's another win right here. So we're supposed to be in a 4-win streak if we hit this trade. Oh no, this trade is giving me a win right now. No, this whatever. But I don't mean, boys. I mean, I logged my trades since fucking April. You know, you guys, 9-win streak in April, and this is. I mean, and a lot of people are gonna be like, oh, dude. I log my trade. Sometimes I take forever to log it, but there's pretty much too many people that have been here since the beginning to be able to see when there's I've never even been called out for bullshit on my charts because I don't bullshit my spreadsheet. My spreadsheet's for me. I share it with you guys because it does randomly good. But there's months that don't do good. Like look at this month. We had a 64% win rate. Win, break even, like all those break evens would have been wins. I was a little bit thrown off. Then I went through a bunch of losses. After that, when we went through 1 win, 2 wins, 3 wins, 4 wins, 5 wins. October, 6 wins, loss. And then, whatever. So how many losses did I take there? Jesus. 4 losses. October, 10 wins, 4 losses. November, 11 wins, 1 loss. Like, I know those months are coming. I do it. April, May. Here there was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 wins. Here there was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 wins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, well, this got ugly towards the end. Well, I don't know what you're talking about. What is that on your screen on your left? What is that on your screen on your left? I don't know. But I'm talking about this guy right here. His name's Pascu. He's the guy that makes sure I don't over leverage. He makes sure I don't gamble. He's the one that keeps me in check when I trade. All you guys need your own little. He scares away the demons. He keeps Don Vo traders away. Bosco. Oh my god, Dahlia. That was funny. Like the way you write his name is like this. Bosco. You know? Thank you for your time, energy, Duncan. Hope I see you every day, bro. Almond, you will, brother. I assure you. Thank you so much for coming to my stream every single day and fucking always being participating and just showing love, brother. You make me want to be here. You're one of the people that make me want to be here all the time. So we're about to have a 15-minute candlestick closure. We had recently a huge liquidity grab. We decided after the liquidity grab to take sells at support due to the fact that we understood that there was still bearish momentum left. Right now we're having a 15-minute candlestick open with a lot of momentum to the downside, possibility that there's no top wick. Regardless, we are in a very strong position on GJ right now. And I think we're going to be able to keep on riding this all the way down to the bottom. Boys, how many people in the chat are in this trade with me? Nice. I mean, we're in this. We're still in this. I don't see. I mean, bearish momentum hasn't. It's not that it's dying out. It's kind of just maintaining the same. Come on, push, push, push. Let's look at the weekly. Dude, imagine we actually hold the fuck out of this shit. The weekly, this is just a continuation candlestick. I wouldn't be surprised like at one point if this just wicks hardly to the top. We're losing momentum. We need to continue downwards pretty soon. And I could take you there. We can go. Guys, I can't wait. They're gonna take off my copyright strikes so soon, boys. Like it's a by the end, by next week we're gonna be back with the music. I'm gonna figure out how I could put a poll somewhere that you guys could interact with, and we could always have just like a little poll up saying what the bias of the chat is, and instead of you guys having to type it in, you guys could probably like just click it and tell me whether you guys think that we're bullish or bearish. And so whenever we join, like, it'd be like, you know, maybe there's a whole bunch of people, you know, our chat thinks we're bullish, our chat thinks we're bearish. Today, I think we had a strong amount of people that were bearish, and yeah, I think we're on the correct side of the market so far, boys. It's been so far a successful execution trade. You know, it's been a successful trade, even if we end up break even or end up losing. So, man, we gave ourselves the best chance possible. And I mean, let's hold this bitch, boys. Let's hold this bitch. Like, what if this is one of those trades that, like, I mean, you know, when you guys are in replay mode, and I don't know, where we like fucking start playing out the candlesticks. How you click play on this bullshit? Where's the play on the replay mode? I don't see it. Whatever. I'm imagining that this thing could just be like one of those ones that just fucking monthly 764 rejection. 764 right there. You see, once you trade as long as I have, you don't even need to be fucking, you just know that's on the fib. Not even fucking. Oh. Can somebody close their trade right now? Somebody close their trade right now and sacrifice themselves for this to melt. I'm telling you. Sacrifice yourself for this to melt. Somebody close out right now. I'm telling you, this thing's gonna melt. Somebody say that they closed. Who honestly closed right now? Say it. I need somebody to expose themselves. If somebody recently closed their sell right now, I want to know. Don't just say it. Don't just say it just to say it. I want to know who actually closed their sell. Because if somebody closes their sell right now, I'm pretty sure we're set. Nobody's closing. This thing's turning around. I think we're fucked, boys. I think we're fucked. There was no sacrifices done. Bascu's telling me everything, and I think we're. Team. Paras. Paras, you gotta send me your stream link so I could send people to your stream after I'm done streaming or something like that. But you gotta take a trade in front of them all and you gotta win. Damn it. Come on. That is not good momentum. This is like a little bit of a descending wedge that we got here, boys. No bueno. It's bouncing off 185. I know. I feel like we need to disrespect 185 though. I think we've bounced, like we've been dancing around this 185 level too much. I have a feeling that we need to start trading in it. I'm gonna hold. I'm gonna sadly hold. I'm gonna hold.
No, 101's always been my, that's when you actually win the trade, but I could hold 1-2s, 1-3s, 1-4s. 101 just means that we won. Obviously, if we get to 101, I'm not gonna panic close or panic, do anything. When you learn to what's good about when you learn to trade 101 risk reward ratio, why my psychology will always be 10 times better than Don Vo's is due to the fact that when I reach my drawdown, let's say I hit my if I'm near 30 pips, I don't panic close because I'm not risking too much. I'm not terrified of being in drawdown. Like I just told you, I could go all the way to this 30 pip stop loss, and I promise you, it will not make. I will sleep the same. I could sleep at night perfectly. Just like when I get to my take profit 1, I'm not gonna be like, oh, I need to be close, let me close, let me close, let me close, let me close. Like I'm gonna be like, yo, I'm up at 1%. Now, what's the market doing? Can I hold? If it goes down 2 more pips, 3 more, I'm not gonna pan. I'm not. It's like you have. So like that's where it comes. That's where they came up with the take your emotion out the trade. You take your emotion out the trade by risk managing. There is no way to actually unlock the way that you don't. You're trading because you care. You need money because you care, and you're not a bum, and you know you need money to fucking survive in this world. So you care. Therefore, there's emotion in the trade. There's nothing that you could, unless you don't care, there's going to be emotion. Therefore, there's the only actual way to start taking away is the level of care. That's the way you take out the emotion. It's the level of emotion. Yes, I feel emotion when I get to my stop loss. Yes, I feel emotion. Now, does the emotion damage me and alter the way that I think and change the way I'm going to actually go about the probabilities and what should be done? No. That's good. Yeah, I think you need to ask him, what's the definition of a successful trade? You ask him, what's the definition of a successful trade? Because he says the definition of, because he is going to easily just say the definition of a win is when you're up on money, right? Who fucking knows? Jesus. Just continue to the downside, please. Just stop. Like, go down. I hope what I've said makes sense, guys. I hope what I've said doesn't. I hope. I mean, I haven't really had too many people come and bash, but actually at all, not really anybody. But I honestly just say it with so much. Like I don't know. I honestly don't even feel like I'm saying anything that's crazy. I think it's really straightforward. Young official trader, have you enjoyed the stream so far, though, brother? Have you enjoyed the stream so far? I would love to. Actually, maybe today's not the day. I was gonna say maybe you tell me what. I was gonna say maybe you tell me, like, what the difference between Don Vo's stream is and mine, or like I don't know. I don't know. We're a little bit smaller over here. We're a little bit. We're all into maybe a little bit smaller of a community. It's a little bit more personal. I kind of know almost every name that's in this stream usually. We've had months where we were going up to like 200s and shit like that consistently. Just things happen, then we're not consistent on the stream. Well, I can hear. I see. I like your strategy a lot better than mine. I trade a lot of. I mean, I guess I trade a lot of price action. I mean, yes, my channel's name is Woe. Actually, let's not get into that. What I can say is that I trade a lot of price action and kind of like. I understand that in a session, in a Forex session, let's say London session, there's only 1 to 2 true moves, unless you're like with the volatility that is like there's only been one trade really this whole session, and that's been the sell from here to here, or anything in between that. That's a sell from here to here, or from here to here. Like there's only been one trade. Like if you tell me right now I made money on a buy on GJ, I'm gonna be like, all right, you fucking got lucky, you fucking scalped. I don't know what the fuck you did, I don't know what you risked, but that's stupid. Like the only possible sell this session has been a sell. One. There's only been one entry. Entries over here, here, like one entry as in like one. You know what I'm saying? Like, so what I try doing, I come to the charts every single day and I take one trade a session in front of everybody, and I try making sure that that trade puts me in a position where I just have a confident stop loss, where I know that I'm just trying to get the bias correct. I'm trying to get the bias correct. My trading strategy is as simple as I come to the charts and I try figuring out, all right, are we going to be bullish or bearish? Okay, if I think that we're going to be bullish, I'm waiting for price to be at a level like around, I'm waiting for a low. They're just like right here. And I'm throwing a decent, so let's use today's term. I thought we were going to be bearish. I still think we're going to be bearish. So therefore, when price rose, price was rising strongly, price flew. And I was like, guys, we're taking a sell as it was flying. Why? Because I'm like, this is the best possible entry for what my bias actually is. Now, you just got to throw a stop loss that allows the trade to be able to breathe, have confirmations like my SMAs, recent price action, higher lows, lower lows, higher lows, lower lows. And you just got to let guys, we've been in drawdown, profit. It's still only been one trade this session. There's still only been one trade. And I'm a scalper, boys. I'm a scalper. I'm telling you, I'm a scalper. I'm a scalper getting to intraday trader, but I'm definitely not a fucking swinger. I'm definitely not a swinger. And so anything in between that, you guys are not trading correctly. You guys are throwing yourselves in coin flip trades. That's what you guys are doing. I don't trade coin flip trades. I look for trades that yes, most trades are coin flips, but you can find your edge in the market. And when you find your edge in the market, that's your strategy. Those are the setups that you recognize. You got to follow a disciplined rule set because that trade is not going to hit every single time. And if you start messing with the amount that you risk, your rule set's going to get fucked. And then once you lost, everything goes to shit. Coin flips are fun sometimes. 100% going on the 5-minute chart and trying to predict where the next 5-minute candlestick is going to go. It's fun and it's quick, but it's the coward's way out. It's the coward's way out of view of like people are like, oh, I have the heart rate to scalp. No, if you're actually hopping in and out on 5-minute charts, it's because you actually don't have the heart rate to actually hold the trade. It's because you actually fucking have the heart rate of you trying to just fucking get in and get out and trying to make quick money. It's the wrong mentality. So, young official trader, this is an average stream for us. Average. Usually when we're in trades, I'm bullshit talking a lot, and this is the bullshit talking that I'm talking about. I'm always as real as it could possibly get, man. I try to get as real as it could possibly get. What is my thoughts on Euro USD? That is probably one of the best questions we've had in a while. Euro USD looks bearish as balls. It's like this the same setup that we have right now. It's just a strong level of support after a range, but I don't believe it's actually going to bounce from it. I think that we're going to break it. Wick fill that we have right here. I know it's a very quick, simple breakdown, but it's as simple as that. It looks bearish as balls. Oh yeah. Ooh. The Funded Gambler. That's such a good name. What to do with the Funded Gambler? How we out in Europe spending euros. And Kanye never know what you got. What's going on? Nothing, brother. I actually caught the sell at 2 o'clock at pre-London session. There was a huge sell-off, and I actually caught that sell-off. It recovered, and after it recovered, I said, hey, we're going to continue with the sell. And we've just been in a trade. There's only been one trade this session, which has been the sellout. I guess the pre-London sellout also would have been. Nothing's happening, though. We're patiently waiting to see if we're actually going to keep on continuing to the downside. Once I reach a 1-on-1 risk-reward ratio, I do not think I'm going to close. I think that I am satisfied with holding this trade. I'm actually about to go, like, fucking roll up, bruh. 30 pip stop loss. I'm in a long. Just entered the stream because I saw You were shorting. Yeah, brother. We had a huge wick fill. I mean, I already caught this, so I actually took a sell right here on live, caught it. And then we started recovering. After we started recovering and we left this huge wick before this hourly candlestick closed, I said, hey, that hourly candlestick, this wick fill is too strong. We're not going to actually, you were probably one of the traders that think that this candlestick was going to flip bullish. No, I've never seen a candlestick with a bull like I literally called it out on stream, guys. This wick is gonna get filled right now because this next hourly candlestick is about to close, and this is not gonna keep on going up. And I mean, it's pretty straightforward. It's bearish price action, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. We're about to make more lower lows. We're at a level of support that we have a whole bunch of people thinking, hey, we're in a range and we're at the bottom of the range. I mean, this is bearish. This is a continuation candle, so I wouldn't be surprised the next one's bearish. If you guys have not ever seen me stream before, if you guys have not seen my track record before, you guys chat, help me out with that exclamation mark X, show the stream record. I mean, I started streaming about a little less than a year ago. In April we started off with a 9-win streak. In May we went 10-win streak. In July we went 7 wins 2 losses. July we went 15 wins 7 losses. August 70% win rate again. Then we dropped the win rate a little bit, 7 wins 4 losses, and we went 10 wins 4 losses. Then in November we had again one of our best 10-win streaks. Actually, this is a 5-win streak. We went 11 wins, 1 loss, 92% win rate. December we didn't trade. April we're moving. Did this thing just turn around on me? Oh, it hasn't even gone anywhere. Why did it look like it was about to melt? So, yeah, that's what's going on. The club can't even handle me right now. I'm on the life and I don't need more. Popping. Wait, is gold going up or down? I think it's going down, no? Are you ready to go? Go! We should have like a YouTube channel that has trading wars every single night, grabs like 2 different traders, and then it allows like the chat to bet on who they think is gonna win. Like and they do like a little trading war like that's every day, every session. And then like there'll be a whole bunch of people gambling on who they think is gonna win. That shit will get hella views. People will be able to, it signals multiple viewpoints from 2 different traders. So you have a stream that's showing the whole session, showing 2 multiple viewpoints, 2 different entries. And like, I don't know, it's like fucking, it's everything you need. You got a little bit of gambling on the side. You got a whole bunch of participation. You got a little bit of shit talk. You got a little bit of this guy's better, this guy. You got community versus community. It's a whole ass war going on. Boys, we need somebody who got the bullshit talking skills like Domvo to fucking content create something like that. Somebody who got the skills to be able to do some content like that. With trash talk between the two. I mean, it's gonna be up to the traders if they want to keep it classy or if they want to, you know. I would probably not go. I'd probably mess with the psychology. Like I said, if you put me up against any other trader, I would tell them, look, we're going to trade the same session right now. If you take buys, I'll take sells. You take sells, I'm taking buys. I'll tell them just like that. So then they feel the pressure of not even pressure of, hey, if they might lose their trade and that's going to be their fault, but they might make me win my trade. Or like, I'm going to just put the pressure on them and I'm going to let the statistics happen. Oh, I don't like the way we're rising right here. This is one of the moments where we're going to hold it. This is one of the moments where realistically, if I wasn't in just a 10 lot, oh my god, it's coming up aggressively. I'd be like, let's not risk much here, boys. If anything, I'd love for you guys to be able to cut half of your position. You're exactly at the break even. Cut half of your position. Just don't risk too much. It's either get out of the trade because of the momentum that's coming and then just look for it later, or hold through it, but make sure you're not risking too much, boys. Make sure you're not risking too much, because that rejection was very ugly, and you got to adapt in trades. And I don't usually close out early, and I don't want to do it right now, but I perfectly could see why somebody would want to close out early right now. Lambeau versus Daniel Savage would be an insane thing to do. It's crazy how I think that I have the closest ability to. Actually, there's probably people that have the same close ability, but I could definitely get Daniel on a YouTube stream, especially if Raul's there. No, I'd have to get Raul there, and Raul wouldn't be with the bullshit. That's funny. God damn. This is where the valid stop loss. What lot size good trade on a 25k account? I like taking 30 pip stop losses. I think if you're trading GJ, go with 30 pip stop losses. 30 pip stop losses gives you an actual chance to not just get stopped out on random momentum. So realistically, somebody help account currency. Somebody help him out with that answer. Do you exactly what you know I'm finna do right here. No, yeah, I was about to calculate the stop loss. Whatever 30 pip stop loss is, and then you risking 1% of that 25k account. So if a 25k account, you could only breach $2,500. You could only risk $250 per. So whatever $250 is with 30 pips. Whatever $250 is with 30 pips. 30 pips, so that's probably like a, I don't know, like a 1 lot? But make sure you give your trade a chance to breathe, man. Make sure you give your chance to breathe. That's the most important thing that I could tell people. They don't give their trade a chance. Stupid. I'm just kidding. I think the trading gods were watching me and all this shit talking to other traders. This thing's just coming to bite me in the ass. You know I know how. Does the 15-minute... Wait, what's up with gold? Oh! Sorry. I got like the hit. I don't know. I don't know what I got. Jesus, this thing. Oh my god. I'm at a break even watching melt. Oh my god, but that's why this thing's flying. Gold is... What the fuck is happening? Of course it's flying. We got gold fucking melting. They're opposite. Oh my god, that 2 hour looks horrible for us. What the fuck happened to gold right now? I think gold's gonna keep on melting. Did I miss anything? Did I miss anything on the news? What the fuck was that? That we didn't have a 15-minute candlestick closure. We had no 30-minute. We had nothing. What the fuck happened? Jesus Christ. Gotta keep on going down. Y solo mírame con esos ojos. Bro, I just witnessed the Forex YouTube easy Forex pips cheat a trade. Easy Forex pips easy. Damn, dude, you on top of all the streamers. They legit just added a trade and removed it, and then GJ went up and it added it back. Oh my god. They didn't. They panic closed. Damn, dude. But I'm telling you, gold is still melting and it's gonna keep make GJ fly. I think I'm fucked here. I might scale into this position. Y solo mírame. Hace tiempo que te tengo de la mano. Bro, what the fuck was that? This was the same fucking sell that we took on GJ. The same type of look. Dude, that was ridiculous. Ooh. There's just no way it goes up. It broke a 4 hour strong, 1 hour trend line. It's that. I don't think it was gonna maintain that bullish momentum. I think that I might fucking get tapped out around here and then fall. But like, how the fuck? I think that's too much bullish momentum to just randomly maintain with the no news. No news, just randomly maintain bullish momentum and start flying all the way to resistance. That'd be pretty impressive. I mean, daily's back to looking mighty fine. Remember when I was talking about major levels of resist? So like we have a zone up here, big magnet level, big level of attraction, another level right here. You know, right now I'm currently down what I won in this trade because this is the first sell that we called out today. Well, I called out, didn't send the trade, but I called it out and executed on it. I made $1,000 here. I'm basically like down $1,000 right now, almost. I mean, this has a possibility of coming down aggressively. I'm not sure how. We have to see what happens right here. We're not gonna close. These SMAs are getting ready to flip. That's what I'm not liking either. This SMA is getting ready to flip. I need this to continue to the downside. Double top possibility. Let's just see him. Let's see. GJ hoed big time. Big time. Young official trader, thank you for tuning into the stream, brother. I hope to see you tomorrow. Brother, great talking to you. Have a great rest of your day, homie. Thank you so much for being a part of the stream. Make sure you drop a like. Turn on post notifications as well. Post notifications. Drop a like. My guy. Dude, I'm gonna get stopped. I'm gonna get stopped. I have my stop loss at 490, 496. By the way, boys, 496. This is 486. I have it at 496. Let me put it at 49. There you go. Damn, payout ready. No. My payout's been ready, brother. My payout's been ready. I was gonna look for it on the free chat, but I don't even gotta brag anymore. I'm supposed to get paid $10,000. 80% of 12.5K, $10,000. Oh damn, that boy got a 400K account. Well, I gotta give it to the dude. The dude came in here and fucking told me, hey, I saw you were selling. This thing's about to fly. Dahlia, bring out the sage quick. Like that shit. Yo. Ouch. Dude, look at this thing. This thing looks fucking aggressively ugly. God. For real, got him? Jesus. Well, hopefully you took profit at 27 pips, because that's the most pips you're gonna see. Dude, I just fucking... I felt so assured that trade was gonna fucking hit. That's why I'm pretty baffled. The market will get you. Ow. Maybe gold buys, dude. Gold, we just need gold to do it. I mean, gold looks like it's about to keep on falling. A gold buy would save us. A gold buy would save us. I don't remember the last time. I know it's happened many times, obviously, but I don't remember the last time that I was this close to getting stopped out that I hit my trade. But I'm definitely not closing out early, because the possibility of this actually... Oh, speaking a little too soon. Possibility of this actually being able to wick. I mean, it's there. Possibility is there. I'm not just saying it's there just because we're here. I mean, the stop loss is there for a reason. It's there. The possibility is there. I don't remember the last time that I was this close, though, and didn't. So it's going to be fun to witness it. If it does happen. Do we yo? Do we yo? Do we yo? Uh-oh. Gold buys is the same exact thing as GJ sells right now, boys. So I'm not gonna just hop out of GJ sells and go to gold buys. It's the same fucking thing that we're doing. All right. GG should melt in his opinion, says LM. Ah, man. This SMA and this SMA. I feel like this should come back in between those two SMAs. Ugh.
Recover and it would end up flying.
Jeez Louise. I apologize for the low energy right there. All right, as I see, GG has hit my bottom channel, and it was a lot of buying pressure, so I took off, but it could come back. Fuck me. I'm wondering what we gonna do here, boys. I'm still alive, but I'm barely breathing. Doo-doon, 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 doo-doon. Just pray to a God that I don't believe in. Doo-doon, 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 doo-doon. Cause I got time off, she got freedom. Cause when a heart breaks, no, I don't believe in. Doo-doon, 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 doo-doon. First day was a summer motto. Spun a minute. Now I'm wide awake and she running the when a heart breaks, no, I don't. Oh, DXY is about to fly. And that's what the fuck happened. The dollar flew. Gold melt. GJ. How does that even make GJ fly? I'm so confused. GJ is just GJ, right? Now I'm wide awake and she. What am I supposed to say when I'm all choked up in your game? Oh my god, I'm about to get clapped. Pretty ass. What's so funny is that if we would have gone with a 30 pip stop loss at 300, we would have been stopped out by a pip. If we would have won with the buy that we were going to take at the beginning of the session, we would have been stopped out by a pip. Have I gotten stopped out yet? I'm looking at my phone. MT4. Oh, 3 pips away. It's gonna get hit. It's gonna get hit. That means that I need to find the trade right here that we have a win on, and then we've lost this one. Exit 185, 490. I have my stop loss 185.490. There's a win here. There's a win here. Nonetheless, very bad start to the year. Very bad start. Very bad start. Compared to whatever we're at 30 pips, but my stop loss is my stop loss. Wait, we're at 30 pips? No. No, 476 is the stop loss from the 30 pip here, and that hasn't even got hit. But I have 496. I have 2 pips. I have 32 pips. It's like, oh, that's bullish momentum. Oh, that's GG's well played. Let's see it. Oh, what the fuck I just did? GG's well played. I have that exact stop loss right there. Let's see it. Give me your might and will. Just fucking do it, you bitch. You complete bitch. Oh my god, GG's a bitch. Not the way we wanted to start off the year, boys. I'm so glad I didn't start the Challenge Pass series. We are still alive. Oh, I thought it was going to stop us out. It's going down. Oh! Nope, not yet. Do it! Do it! Stop me out, you pussy. That did it for sure. Cannot win them all. Nope, you're very right. Super wet. Might as well keep that stuff there. I'm actually getting ready to just end the stream because I'm not going to take another trade. Also, I'm going to have to wait forever if I want to take another trade now. I mean, longs look decent. This guy says, I know we can still chill, my guy. I can't believe I was in the goddamn cell, bro. I mean, I can't believe it. It's gonna keep on going bullish. It's not even gonna give anybody a chance to hop in. Or it might come back down now after stopping me out like a bitch. Now I'm wide awake, honestly. That was shit. Can't believe I actually got clapped. All right, boys. This is gonna look at these are all continuation candles to the top side. This is about to obliterate my stop loss. I'm gonna end up calling it for the night, boys. I'm gonna be on early tomorrow as well, 1 hour before London session, and tomorrow we can have a lot longer of a stream. I guess. I mean, yeah, no. The initial trade should have been the news trade, I guess. I lost my profits and like a little bit more than the profits that I made off that little quick scalp sell. Nonetheless, it's fine, boys. It's completely fine. You guys got to learn how to walk away whenever you guys it doesn't go into your favor. Make sure, I mean, I called it out. I said we got to manage our risk. It wasn't looking too good when it came back. I said manage our risk, manage our risk. Doesn't look good, doesn't look good. Nothing much more I could do. I really apologize if I put anybody in a bad trade for them. I don't know. Hopefully you guys follow the rules. Boys, much love to everybody. Thank you guys so much for being here and supporting the stream. Man, much love to everybody and thank you for supporting the stream. That's yo. Wish I was. This thing better fly. Better not fucking come back. Loves and kisses, brothers. Loves and kisses. I love you guys so much. I swear to God, I don't remember the last time that I've lost a trade. I've had a whole bunch of people fucking like attack me or some shit or call me stupid. So literally, I fucking love the community. You guys are fucking awesome. Boys, let's be here all tomorrow. I want to see everybody that was here today, here tomorrow. I'm telling you, you're not gonna see me fucking fail you guys. I will make things right. What the fuck am I doing? Well, I'm touching shit I'm not supposed to be touching, basically. All right. Boys, much love. Take it easy, boys. Peace.